Today might be the day the community has been waiting for. Shiba Inu has turned heads in the community. Insane price action today. 11 trillion Shiba Inu is on the move. People are celebrating, and Satoshi Kusama is making sure that the momentum will continue. Is this the start of the dream bull run? Or is this just a massive bubble? And what on earth am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. There's been some wild movement in the Shiba Inu market today. In fact, we're seeing a massive surge with a crazy amount of Shiba Inu transactions happening. Over 11 trillion tokens have been traded in just the past 24 hours. This huge spike in on-chain activity is closely tied to strong whale movements, and we all know how these big players can really shake up the market. Market sentiment is a bit mixed at the moment. While trading volume is holding steady, it's still not quite as big as the huge spike we saw earlier this month. One thing that stands out is the whale activity, which really peaked just a few days ago, reaching its highest point in a week. This kind of movement often signals big changes ahead, whether that means a breakout or some consolidation. We'll have to keep an eye on how this plays out. But wait, you might be wondering, what's all this activity about? What's going on behind the scenes? Well, just today, something interesting happened. It's almost like the price of Shiba Inu just refuses to drop. Even with everything happening in the broader crypto market, Shiba Inu's price has managed to stay steady and hasn't dipped much. In fact, it's holding strong above a key level it broke through earlier this month, showing a lot of resilience. Meanwhile, Bitcoin saw a pretty dramatic drop today, losing a major milestone of $100,000 in just minutes. But Shiba Inu? It barely budged, staying within normal range for an altcoin, and bounced right back to that key level. And this is very important detail to pay attention to. For a long time, Shiba Inu's price movements were closely tied to Bitcoin. When Bitcoin went up, so did Shiba Inu. Same as when Bitcoin went down, so did Shiba. But today, it seems like that chain might have been broken. People are seriously excited today, and the praise for Shiba Inu is pouring in, making the whole situation even more interesting. What's got everyone even more intrigued is that experts are starting to predict a new all-time high is just around the corner. In fact, one well-known technical analyst has made a bold statement. Shiba Inu is breaking out of a long 3-year downtrend and is now eyeing a major run towards a new all-time high. The analyst took to social media to highlight that Shiba Inu's downtrend, which began back in late 2021, is finally coming to an end. It looks like Shiba Inu is finally breaking free from that extended period of trading below its all-time high. What's even more exciting is that this expert is projecting a huge wave of growth, suggesting that Shiba Inu could rise by a significant amount, pushing its value closer to its all-time high. This has got everyone in the community buzzing with anticipation. In fact, we got a huge confirmation today from Satoshi Kusama himself that Shiba Inu is here to stay. He posted a tweet addressing all the doubters out there, and his message was clear. He told them, "Go ahead, fade us. You'll be just like those who said there was no Shiba Inu swap or no Shibarium." It's like he's saying, keep doubting. But history has shown that those who bet against Shiba Inu ended up eating their words. He even called out the early Shiba Inu army members, encouraging them to share stories of how the naysayers were proven wrong in the past. It's a bold move, but one that shows just how confident Satoshi is in Shiba Inu's future. The community is definitely taking notice, and the excitement is building. And if that wasn't enough to get the community buzzing, today also saw a massive Shiba Inu burn from an unknown source. A recent tweet from the Shiba Inu burn tracking platform revealed that in just the past day, the Shiba Inu community managed to burn an incredible amount of Shiba Inu tokens, more than 250 million. The bulk of this burn came from a single mysterious whale move, which added a lot of intrigue to the whole situation. In total, the Shiba Inu community sent over 270 million tokens to dead-end blockchain addresses, and this pushed the daily burn rate up by an astonishing 400%. It's a big deal because burns like this reduce the overall supply, which could play a role in driving up the value. But all of this could very well be just the tip of the iceberg. The bull run is far from over, and if anything, it feels like we're only getting started. Jordi Visser, a seasoned investor and former CIO of Weiss Multi-Strategy Advisors, shared his thoughts, explaining that we're not yet at the peak of this bull run. Even though Bitcoin has hit the 100,000 mark, Visser is confident that we haven't even entered the bubble phase yet. In a recent thread on social media, Visser said that even though Bitcoin has managed to double its price for 2 years in a row, it's still far from what we'd consider a bubble, especially when compared to the tech company market. So, according to him, we're still a long way from seeing a bubble burst. This could mean we're in for even more exciting times ahead, including Shiba Inu. And if that wasn't enough, Ethereum has now broken past the $4,000 level, which could mean even crazier times ahead. Ethereum has made a strong recovery, bouncing back above the critical resistance, a level that's been one of its toughest sell walls. This is huge, especially for Shiba Inu. Why? Well, Shiba Inu is built on Ethereum, and it still operates under its network. So, whenever Ethereum shows strength like this, it can have a positive impact on Shiba Inu too. When Ethereum climbs, it usually brings up the projects running on its blockchain, including Shiba Inu. This all adds up to the fact that we're entering a new era for crypto, one that could see massive growth across the board. With Ethereum pushing higher and Shiba Inu showing strong signs of life, it's clear that the future of crypto is looking bright. This could mean even more opportunities for Shiba Inu as the entire ecosystem continues to evolve and grow. Speaking of growth, Shiba Inu might be gearing up for a massive surge. The dev team just dropped some exciting news. They're working hard to get Shibarium added to MetaMask. This could be a game changer, as it's expected to onboard a huge wave of new users to the Shiba Inu ecosystem, giving it the chance to really thrive. In fact, Kal Dairia, one of the top developers behind Shiba Inu, has been having a bit of fun with MetaMask, calling them out on a critical issue involving Shibarium. Over on X, Dairia pointed out a key problem that needs to be addressed in order to get Shibarium fully integrated with MetaMask, the go-to Web3 wallet for Ethereum users. This playful push shows just how serious the dev team is about making this happen and bringing more people into the Shiba Inu fold. And remember those experts and analysts who've been talking about Shiba Inu possibly reaching new all-time highs? Well, it's not just talk anymore. There are real, solid efforts going on behind the scenes, and with the dev team putting in major work to make Shibarium a seamless experience on MetaMask, things are definitely looking up for Shiba Inu's future. So, when you put all of this together, it's clear that Shiba Inu is in a very exciting place right now. These efforts are more than just a sign of what's coming. They're a bold move to open up Shiba Inu to a whole new world of users and possibilities. Getting Shibarium integrated with MetaMask isn't just a technical update. It's a major step toward expanding the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It'll bring in more people, give Shiba Inu more use cases, and maybe even push the price higher as more eyes are on it. As we head into the next year, it seems like Shiba Inu is setting up to not just maintain its position, but to truly thrive, making the upcoming months really exciting for fans and investors alike. It's definitely time to keep watching closely. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.